Hello, marhaba, greetings, salam. Welcome to another video of MPerioPrepCourse, the best course for Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh MPerio exam guidance and preparation. Before we start, I would like to mention that we are available 24/7 on WhatsApp. So if you have any query or if you want any help related to MPerio exam, you can contact us at any time. In this video, I will provide you complete guidance related to M.Perio exam offered by Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh, all the steps from start to finish. Step 1. Check your eligibility. There are mainly two eligibility criteria. Number 1, you need to possess a primary dental qualification or dental graduation degree from an institute which is recognized by Royal College of Surgeons, and you need to send this degree to Royal College of Surgeons to verify it. Number 2 eligibility criteria is complete 3-year clinical training in periodontology, especially from a teaching hospital under a supervisor. If you are eligible for the exam, your second step will be look for the exam dates and the exam center. For that, you need to check the website of Royal College of Surgeons frequently, as the exam dates and the venues or the centers are mentioned over there. The MPerio exam is held 3 times per year. Number 1 in March in Cairo, Egypt. Number 2 in September, Scotland, Edinburgh. And number 3 in November, Dubai, UAE. Now you have selected your exam dates and exam center. So prepare your documents, because as soon as the exam registration dates open, they fill up very quickly because the number of seats are very limited. There are 2 ways to apply. Number 1 is the paper application, in which you send all your documents via mail. Number 2 is online application, in which you will scan your documents, upload them along with the application form and send it to Royal College of Surgeons. I will recommend to apply online, as it is the fastest way to register for your exam. Now you are registered for the exam, so your next step is to make the travel arrangements. I will recommend you to apply for visa at least 2 months before the exam. And if you need any visa support letter, Royal College of Surgeons also provide that. The next part is the exam preparation. This is the part where we come in. So we will provide you complete MPerio exam preparation courses, and you can contact us on WhatsApp and I shall be obliged to help you. Now the next part is the actual exam, and with MPerioPrepCourse you will be fully prepared and confident to appear in MPerio exam. The exam consists of 2 components, written and the clinical scenario. For written exam, there will be 2 papers, paper A and paper B. For each paper, you will get 2 hours and it contains multiple short answer questions. For clinical scenario, it contains 4 long cases and 8 short cases. For long cases, they will give you 15 minutes preparation time, and then examiner will take your viva for 15 minutes. For short cases, there will be no preparation time and the examiner will directly take your viva for 7.5. And the last part is you have successfully passed MPerio exam and you are holding MPerio degree certificate, because MPerio degree has a global appeal. It is accepted worldwide because Royal College of Surgeons is one of the most respected and prestigious institute in the world. Our WhatsApp number is being displayed, and we are available 24/7, so you can contact us at any time. Our website, Facebook and LinkedIn links are available in the description box. And for other videos related to MPerio exam, just click the playlist at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and hope to hear from you soon.